Good morning, True Trading Group. I wanted to do a weekly update, what to watch for this week, because we have a lot of interesting events, catalyst coming up in the markets this week. So let's go over the top 5 things to watch for, and then we'll go over gold, and we'll go over crude, and we'll take a look at some crypto. I don't know. Crypto has me a little bit puzzled, but we'll check it out. So first thing, earnings season starts, guys. The banks, JPM, reported on Friday, beat. Whoa, whoa. We're going to be looking at these banks to look for that big R word, the recession. We want to see these banks with growing numbers, and we want to see earnings that have growth in FY19. U.S. sales and retails report comes out for March on Thursday at 8:30. Write that down. China GDP Q1 comes out Wednesday morning. Flash zone PMIs, this is what made the market crash last time. This will be out at 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So just when I wake up, I'll be able to read that. OPEC meeting coming up. This is where we're going to see what's going to happen to crude this week. Told you guys, short week, but a big week. So now let's look at crude. Now, guys, these discussions pop up. Now, you guys have to remember that these people are trying to push their agenda. Sometimes some news will pop up there. I'll read it if I'm, in study mode. But all the news that you really need to know about pops up right on this chart. So there's no really, unless you're really bored and you want to read into the discussion, then go at it. You can see the 64.40 area is going to be tough for us to get over. Let's go to a 1-year chart. So we were talking about this. We had a doji, and then we had the uptrend, the 50, and then we're looking for a break up here. Now we're really at, a really crucial part for our crude oil here. We can see in this channel 50 all the way up to 60. This is that candle that we're looking at, 4/11/2018. Okay, the candle really from 59.26 all the way up to 64.11. So that's what crude's at a very important place here. It needs to hold 65. To hold 65, we're going up to 70. Doesn't need to happen yet, but this is what I'm, hoping it happens next week with this OPEC meeting. That we hold 65 as support and push up towards $70 and maybe even up towards $80 in driving season. Hurricane happens, who knows? But the 65 area needs to be broke and held, period. Natural gas. I don't like line charts. If you like line charts, you guys can look at those. I don't. So, 2654. Let's go 1 month. So this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking for us to go back down here to this 255 area. 255. It's holding up strong, so I don't know if we'll get there. We need to break through 2654, break through 26, and then break through down to 255. So I'm waiting for that 265 break, and then test of 26, and then we'll be looking for 255. Now, if we hold this area, we could push up back up to 28. Sometimes we get one of those freak winter storms. So I'm watching this, even though it's been trading sideways. It still gives us a move in spring sometimes. A lot of people have been watching gold. $1,300 is my pivot point for gold. A lot of people, it's $1,275. Mine is $1,300. We need to get back above 1,300. Period. With the market going so strong, I don't know if it's going to happen. When the markets are strong, people put their money in stocks. When the market is falling, people put their money in precious metals. It's that simple. Now, let's look at this crypto, because we got a huge spike this week. And most of these follow BTC. If not, guys, they kind of work like OTC stocks. The ones that have news are the ones that are moving, unless the whole sector is moving. So here's a crazy spike we're talking about, and this is why 6,000 is so important. Once we get to 6,000, we get to the 6,500 mark, which we were looking to break all of last winter. We couldn't do it. If we break 6,500, we shoot up to 7 and then 8,000. But we haven't been able to break and hold this 5,000 mark. We tried to go for that 5,400 spike, got denied. Yes, it's very bearish reversal symbol. So we'll have to see if that spike was an exhaustion spike from the shorts covering, saying, okay, we give up, but now we're going to smack the crap out of you. That's what we're going to have to wait and see. I'll be watching very close, long OSTK. The longer we stay above 5,000, the better. More accumulation that what happens up after this big candle from 4,000 to 5,000. I don't mind some continuation here. Some consolidation will lead to continuation. All right, guys. Well, that's a look at what's coming up this week. A kind of look at crude, kind of look at gold and natural gas and Bitcoin. All right. Next week's going to be a short week, so trade careful. Let's kill it.